We're for the workers, the doers, the makers, the movers, and the shakers. We're for building things, not resumes. Networking? No thanks. Ladder climbing? Only if it involves an actual ladder. All we care about is a job well done. We're for the diligent, the decent, the devoted. We're for the visionaries, that rare breed with big ideas, the guts to voice them, and the grit to bring them to life. We're for the caretakers, the deep thinkers, the rule breakers, and the daredevils. We're for the cowboys, city slickers, and just about everything in between. And if you have the creativity, the courage, and the gumption to believe that with the right equipment, you could change the world, well then, we might just be for you.